So I have a question for you. What is wrong with this picture? I am in this really cool house in Detroit, beautiful brick house, and something happened last night. Okay, so I have to explain this video a little bit better. So I'm Monique Burns. My husband and I have been buying houses in Detroit since 2007. Right now we're in the business of flipping houses. We buy houses that are distressed, we renovate them, and we sell them completely done to investors from all over the country and all over the world, and we're usually putting in a Section 8 tenant for them as well, or we're selling them to a homeowner. And in this video, the house that you're seeing, this is not one of our renovations. The people who bought the house took on the risk that we absorb before you buy a house. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 2 ways that you could, if you are renovating your own house, to keep your property safe. And then I'm going to tell you what happened. There are investors that are staying here while they're working on their house, getting it ready. And they were sleeping here at their house that they're renovating. And all of a sudden they heard a bang. And somebody had broken into this door. Here's the first thing that was wrong, is this was not attached well. Somebody had reached in right in here. They broke through there and reached up and grabbed that because there wasn't a casing around this that would have protected them from being able to reach up and under and grab it. That's the first thing that was wrong. Well, the other thing that's wrong, I'll tell you right now, is this paper. This paper in Detroit is an invitation that there's probably some really good stuff in that house and they want to see what's in there. So that's why somebody broke in. But here's the good news. The people that are here, the investors that are here, called the police, and the police have really improved in Detroit. And they came out and they said it felt like they were here for 3 hours. They actually fingerprinted. Check this out. Look, they said, did they, whoops, where am I? See that? That's fingerprint dust right there. They fingerprinted, but that's what's going on. So if you ever are working on a house in Detroit, don't ever put this paper. And that's the first thing the police said. They broke in because of this paper. You have to have up Miniblinds. So speaking of locks, this is our preferred kind of lock on these security doors because somebody can't pop this open or this open and reach in and just twist it, you know? So we don't do these twist ones on these doors. Okay, so I told you about the break-in, and now you're probably wondering, well, what happened? So the man broke into the house because he could, because it was easy, and his friend was outside standing up on the rail looking in over the window where the paper didn't go up high enough. And so they're like, oh yeah, the coast looks clear. But what was weird is that they broke in even though there was a car there. We have not seen that happen in Detroit. That was very strange. So the man broke in and the investor who was there sleeping popped right out of bed and came darting around the corner and he said, hey. And the guy saw that there was somebody in the house and the intruder ran right back out the door. So nothing terrible happened, thank goodness. And I just, maybe I'm too optimistic, but I don't think when people are breaking into the houses in Detroit, they're trying to break in to hurt you. They just want to steal a furnace. They want to see what's in there to steal. So that's what happened.